It's packed with color and I love it. Okay, it's packed with color and I love it. And in today's video we will be taking a look at a wig by Bobbi Boss in the style Julianna. So without further ado, let's get right into the video of as you watch me install this wig, and then we will talk about the details and my final thoughts of the wig.
I put myself on the line and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby, this window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby, pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it, take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make no mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby, it should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby, pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it, take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it. I'm trying to stay strong, I can't keep holding on. I've got to be good to me. Exposing my heart, I've done more than my part. Why can't you step up for me? Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, she won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby, pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it, take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it. I put myself on the line and I gave you a piece of my time, and you're making me feel so stupid. You never made it to a show 'cause you're so busy. I know, baby, this window right here is closing. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause every time I give an inch, you won't commit. Give me some conversation, baby, pick up the phone. I really think that you should take it or leave it, take it or leave it all. Take it or leave it, take it or leave it. I try to play it all cool, never expecting too much out of you, but now I need you to meet me in the middle. Don't wanna make no mistake, and I'm trying to keep my priorities straight. So don't blow this, baby, it should be simple. Hey, why don't you take it or leave it? Yeah, I might want it, don't need it. I should run, 'cause
reminder, the wig that I am reviewing today is Bobbi Boss Julianna. I have Bobbi Boss Julianna in the color 3T1B 4AUTM. Yeah, that's a lot. This is in a MEDIFRESH safe and clean cap. It blocks UV rays. It's antibacterial. It has great ventilation, advanced protection, 5-inch deep lace part, HD transparent lace, and natural baby hairs. Julianna has a MEDIFRESH safe and clean cap. It blocks UV rays. It's antibacterial. It has great ventilation. It has advanced protection, which includes 5-inch deep lace part, HD transparent lace, natural baby hairs. You know we all love those. It comes in a premium high heat fiber. It is safe heat. It does allow for safe heat styling. It's ultra hygienic. I forgot to say that. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so there's nothing to this wig. It's one of those put on goes. I really love the color. As you know, I always like color. I don't shy away from it. It has beautiful, I think it has, would you say a reverse ombre? Well, not really. It's packed with color and I love it. Okay, it's packed with color and I love it. So this is Julianna on me. She has 3 combs, one in the back, one on each side, adjustable straps, and the HD lace. I did my natural scalp method. Close up so you can see the color. And as a reminder, Julianna's color that I have is 3T1B4AUTM. Let's go and do a 360. Go ahead and do a 360. I would not say Julianna is big head friendly. I don't know, it's snug on my head and all I have is the wig cap, so maybe if I take it off it's not gonna be so snug, but as of right now it is very snug. It does have a bit of shedding. I don't know why, because typically short units like that on me don't shed, but this one sheds, so I don't know. It was a quick application, quick and easy install. See, didn't have to apply. I did apply heat, but not on the actual unit, on the lace, so I could lay it down for the video. And yeah, that's about it. So I would say I'd give this one, because it sheds, I'd say I'd give it like a 7.5 out of 10. I do love the color, but I don't like the shedding. I just assume because it's that short it won't shed, but I guess my mistake. But yeah, it does come in other colors, which I don't have on hand at the present moment, but trust me, it comes in other colors. So if you shy away from colors, or this is just not your jig, you get in any other color, but you don't shy away from colors. So yeah, boy, this is a great summer wig because it's not too long, and because it comes with because it comes with a cap that blocks the UV rays, it shouldn't attract heat. I'm assuming that's what I'm assuming. So it shouldn't be hot. Mine's not hot, but I'm inside, so I don't know. But yeah, I love the colors. I love the length. I love the HD transparent lace. I love the side the part is on. I just don't like the shedding, so I'm giving her a 7.5. So Julianna by Bobbi Boss in the color 3T1B4AUTM gets a 7.5 from my TTT. So if this was your first wig review and you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any time that I upload. Thank you for watching my video. Bye now.